Hey guys, we are going to wipe this computer. I just had it running. It has Windows Vista Ultimate on it, and I'm going to put Windows 7 on it. But I need to make sure the hard drive is free of any remnants of previous data, so I'm going to get my industrial wiper out. XP, Dell XP, wipe drive. There it is. Okay. We are going to securely overwrite a hard drive. Make sure no flash drives are plugged in. They are unplugged. We're going to select 2. 2. Y and Y. Well, should take about an hour, if not a little more, to complete. So, now this computer has has 6 gigs of RAM, 250 gig hard drive, and an AMD. What the hell was it? Phenom processor in it. Not much on the AMD side. I'm more of an Intel fan. Anyways, it's got a not half bad processor. It's got an AMD Phenom quad core in it. Six gig of RAM. It says it's got a 500 gig hard drive, but it's only got 250 in it. Because I was just looking at it on my computer, and it was only 250 gig, which the hard drive had been changed out at one point in time. So, got DVD burner in it. Let's fix that Windows 7 on it here in a little bit. So, we're gonna kick this video old school. I'm gonna do it like I used to. I'm gonna do all my videos like I used to from now on. I ain't gonna try to fucking find royalty-free music or anything like that anymore. I'm just gonna I'm just gonna do it like I used to. So y'all probably aren't watching my recent videos. Y'all watching more of my older stuff. And I see that the older stuff is getting more views than my newer stuff is. So, like I said, I'm going to play music in the background. I'm going to act like my mature 22-year-old self. And I'm going to fix computers like the way I used to do it. So, anyways. And drink a Dr. Pepper. with that being said, at 2.87%, the case is kind of beat up a little bit. See, it's missing some paint here. It's got a huge dent right here. I might paint this one, I don't know. Just shoot it with a fresh coat of black. That's that's bare metal right there. So, well, as y'all can see from my last video, one of them is missing. That's right. One of them is gone. One of the computers is gone. And that's the one that looks, that's the other one that looks like this one. A GX620. No, it still didn't want to boot, so I'm going to scrap it. After putting that that other motherboard in, I think I got a dead board though. It's doing the same thing. You plug it in, the motherboard light would come on, but when you press the button, it wouldn't do anything. All cables are connected. I tried this one, power button, didn't work. So I don't know. This one needs a graphics card, and it'd be a pretty damn good computer. That one's blown caps. It's a cap replacement project if I decide to do it. There's about 10 of them that need to be repaired, and I'm probably gonna scrap that one. I'm probably not gonna replace them caps, just for the fact that there's so many of them, and a computer motherboard is a little more difficult to do than like a power board. Anyways, I got this beast here. It's got a Blu-ray player in it. I already had this one on. It does have a modular power supply. It's not an actual hot bad system. Gigabyte motherboard. I think it's a 1 gig video card in this one, but I think it's a Radeon. I'm not for sure on the model though. Anyways, I gotta get some special screws for this freaking case. Still trying to find a buyer for my John Deere computer. And the ones on the bottom are I'm probably gonna scrap them. This one I'm probably gonna paint. And this is the one that's for sale right now for $20. Someone gives me a $20 bill and you have the freaking thing. This one is another cap replacement, I think. So, okay. Well, I'm gonna let this do its thing, and I'll see y'all in a little bit.